Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this moment, we will share with you stunning Japandi living room decor ideas and tips for mastering the Japandi living room design style. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine stepping into a living room that feels like a warm hug from nature, infused with the elegant minimalism of a Japanese tea house. Welcome to the world of Japandi, a design trend that's sweeping homes across the globe. But what exactly is this fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian aesthetics, and why should you consider it for your own living space? Let's delve into the essence of Japandi, explore its defining principles, and uncover the secrets to creating a haven of serenity and style in your living room. What are the rules for Japandi design? First, less is more, embrace minimalism. Declutter your space and prioritize clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and furniture that serves a purpose. Every object should have a reason for being. Second, natural materials rule. Wood, bamboo, rattan, stone, and linen are your allies. The tactile textures and inherent beauty of these materials create a connection with nature and add warmth to the space. Third, neutral color palette. Opt for calming hues like white, cream, beige, and soft grays. These serve as a blank canvas for pops of color through natural wood tones, earthy accents, and statement pieces. Fourth, functional furniture. Choose furniture with clean lines, simple forms, and dual functionalities. Invest in pieces that seamlessly blend into the space and serve multiple purposes. Fifth, embrace negative space. Don't overcrowd your living room. Allow for ample breathing room between furniture and let negative space create a sense of openness and tranquility. Why choose Japandi living room style decorating? First, finding harmony in contrasting styles. Japandi bridges the gap between the clean lines and functional minimalism of Scandinavian design and the wabi-sabi philosophy of Japanese aesthetics, which embraces imperfection and natural beauty. It's a harmonious blend of functionality and warmth, creating a space that's both stylish and inviting. Second, cultivating inner calm. The emphasis on natural materials, organic textures, and uncluttered spaces fosters a sense of peace and tranquility. Japandi living rooms become sanctuaries from the chaos of everyday life, promoting mindfulness and relaxation. Third, timeless and versatile. Unlike fleeting trends, Japandi is rooted in core design principles that transcend time. Its focus on quality materials, clean lines, and neutral palettes ensures your living room remains effortlessly stylish for years to come. Fourth, sustainable and eco-conscious. Japandi often incorporates handcrafted pieces and natural materials, making it a sustainable and eco-conscious choice. This aligns with the growing desire for homes that reflect environmental awareness. What are the best colors for Japandi living room decor? First, the calming neutrals, white, cream, beige, and light grays are the foundation of any Japandi palette. These hues create a sense of spaciousness and serenity, reflecting natural light and enhancing the warmth of wood tones. Second, earthy accents. Bring in pops of color through muted greens, browns, and terracotta. These natural tones infuse the space with a touch of vibrancy without straying from the overall calm aesthetic. Third, black for drama. Use black sparingly for dramatic contrast. A black accent wall, artwork frame, or statement lamp can add depth and sophistication to the space. Fourth, pops of personality. Introduce occasional pops of color through decorative accents like cushions, throws, or artwork. Choose shades that complement the natural palette and reflect your personal style. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best Japandi living room decor ideas. 1. Invest in a statement futon sofa. Embrace low-profile furniture to emphasize spaciousness and create a more grounded, zen-like atmosphere. 2. Layer natural textures. Combine wood, rattan, and woven textiles for a tactile and visually interesting experience. 3. Embrace organic shapes. Offset the clean lines with rounded tables, sculptural vases, and organic patterns in rugs or throws. 4. Let in natural light. Maximize natural light with sheer curtains or drapes. Play with light and shadow using pendant lamps and strategically placed candles. 5. Incorporate greenery. Plants not only purify the air, but also add vibrancy and texture. Opt for low-maintenance options like snake plants or bonsai trees. 6. Showcase wabi-sabi imperfection. Embrace the beauty of imperfection with handcrafted ceramics, vintage finds, or furniture with natural markings. Wabi-sabi celebrates the unique character of objects, adding depth and personality to your space. 7. Highlight minimalist artwork. Opt for artwork with clean lines, muted colors, and natural textures. Japanese woodblock prints, minimalist photography, or abstract paintings in earthy tones can add visual interest without overwhelming the space. 8. Create a cozy reading nook. Designate a corner with a comfortable armchair, soft throw blanket, and side table for quiet reading. This dedicated space encourages relaxation and adds a touch of personalized comfort. 9. Prioritize mindful organization. Utilize sleek storage solutions like built-in bookshelves, woven baskets, or ottomans with hidden compartments to keep clutter at bay. Maintain a sense of order while showcasing decorative objects or treasured books. 10. Infuse personal touches. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into the space. Bring in travel souvenirs, handcrafted pieces, or family heirlooms that spark joy and reflect your unique story. Embrace the tranquility and elegance of Japandi Living Room decor. By incorporating the principles and tips outlined here, you can transform your space into a haven of peace, functionality, and understated beauty. Remember, it's a journey of discovery, not a race to perfection. Take your time, curate your pieces with intention, and allow your personality to shine through. Head over to Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more inspiring design journeys and discover how to bring the magic of Japandi to your own home. We'd love to see your Japandi creations, so share your photos and tag us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tricks to create a home that reflects your unique style and brings you joy. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stunning Japandi living room decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.